What if country A is misbehaving geopolitically, causing trouble left and right, thereby making weaker nations feel uneasy? What if country B is misbehaving economically? Anything from devaluing its currency aggressively so as to boost exports, to stealing intellectual property or at least tolerating theft. A few centuries ago, other countries would have been more eager to simply go to war. In our nuclear, mutually assured destruction age, however, let's just say there are more than enough reasons to think twice. As such, a lot of quote-unquote punishments have transitioned from the military to the economic dimension. Economic sanctions can range from a country simply responding symmetrically to the actions of another, to global efforts which revolve around multiple countries essentially isolating another nation economically. Do sanctions work? They can. However, things get tricky if 1. Other nations don't play along for geopolitical reasons. For example, sanctions against North Korea, which don't involve China meaningfully participating, aren't exactly effective. 2. Other nations don't play along for economic reasons. For example, Germany being dependent enough on Russian resources for them to sometimes have economic reasons to think twice before imposing sanctions on Russia. 3. The economy others try to punish is so large that we end up in an economic mutually assured destruction scenario in light of how interconnected everything is nowadays. Those who think it would be a walk in the park to impose sanctions on, let's say, China are deluding themselves. The list could go on and on. The bottom line is this. Economic sanctions can be peaceful and remarkably effective conflict resolution options under the right circumstances. But aspects such as the deeply interconnected nature of our global economy and complex geopolitical as well as economic interests make the equation less than straightforward in most cases.